If you get this error message during the FACEIT client installation, which says installation has failed, there was an error while installing the application, check the setup log for more information and contact the author. So if you get this error message, then I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So FACEIT client installation has failed. As you see it here, installation has failed on the screenshot. To fix this problem, the easiest way to fix this problem is by going to Task Manager and just end task on the FACEIT anti-cheat. So FACEIT AC, which is written in short form, FACEIT anti-cheat. Then you can install the client without any issue. So let me repeat, the easiest way to fix this problem is by going to Task Manager and just end task on the FACEIT AC. So FACEIT AC can just be found on the Task Manager, as you see it here on the screenshot for Task Manager. So here are the list for FACEIT. Now look for the FACEIT anti-cheat launcher. Just make sure you right click on it and end task, and look for any other files which is related to FACEIT AC or FACEIT anti-cheat. Just make sure you end task for any folder or file that you see it here which is written FACEIT anti-cheat. Just right click on it and end task. So just make sure you end task for all the programs that are written FACEIT anti-cheat or FACEIT AC. After ending the task, then you can install the client without any issues. By far, this is the easiest way to fix this problem. Let me repeat, just by going to Task Manager and just end task on the FACEIT anti-cheat, then you can install the client without any issues. If you do so, but you're still facing the same problem, then follow this tutorial very carefully. Uninstall FACEIT anti-cheat. So if you're still facing the same problem, then probably uninstall FACEIT anti-cheat. To do so, just go to Control Panel, then go to Programs, then uninstall a program. So choose uninstall a program and find FACEIT anti-cheat and uninstall it. After uninstalling, restart your computer to ensure all the related processes are cleared. After that, download the latest version of FACEIT Client from the official website, which is www.faceit.com. As you can see, download the client, which is the latest version for the client. Then after downloading, install it. After you've installed the client, you can now install the FACEIT anti-cheat. But during the installation of FACEIT anti-cheat, which is FACEIT AC, make sure to uncheck the box that says install the FACEIT client if it appears, since you've already installed it. So just download the latest version of the FACEIT client after uninstalling the FACEIT anti-cheat. Download the latest version of FACEIT client from the official website, then install it. After you have installed the client, you can now install the FACEIT anti-cheat or the FACEIT AC. But during the installation of FACEIT AC, make sure to uncheck the box that says install FACEIT client if it appears, since you've already installed it. So this is the best way to fix this problem. If you're still facing the same problem even after following all the guidelines which I have provided, but if you follow it correctly, you'll be able to fix this problem. If you're still facing the same problem, you can just click on the Open Setup Log and contact FACEIT support. Just show them the log, the setup log, which will, after click it here, the logs will open. Just screenshot on it and then contact FACEIT support by just going to their website and then just scroll down to support, and you'll be able to send them the message and show them the setup log. But make sure to follow the instruction which I have shown it to you, and you'll be able to fix this problem. If you don't fix your problem, then just open the setup log and contact the FACEIT support, and they will be able to fix your problem.